What's up guys, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video, and today we have the March package from Trendy Butler. Alright, so we are finally getting into the warmer months here in Connecticut, so I'm curious to see if this box is going to have some kind of, spring type clothing in it, or if they're still kind of kicking it in the winter area. Well, let's crack into this bitch and find out. Alright, ooh, I already like what I'm seeing. Yes! Alright, so firstly, there's this white button-down shirt, and it has this tiny black pattern. I'll see if I can zoom in on that, of like little bicycles and like two crossed wrenches from a brand called Passport. Size medium, it says regular fit. Now this feels pretty light, so is this a short sleeve shirt? It is a short sleeve shirt, and actually, although it says regular fit, it looks pretty slim, and I think this is the same brand shirt that I got in the last box. I remember the light blue contrasting little details on there, which I really like. Item number 2, we have like an olive green kind of khaki, like almost like joggers, like lounge pants. I like that. They got the kind of pre-cuffed bottoms with some blue stitching details, like the blue tie waist. These look like they're going to be super comfortable. Stretch fabric. And this is from Civil Society Clothing, which that sounds familiar too. Designed in Los Angeles. Yeah, and they're in my size, so they look like they should fit great. I like all the detailing on this. And I think like these kind of side cargo-y pockets get a bad rap. I never mind them. Let's try it all on. Alright, so the shirt fits nicely. Although it is a classic cut, it is pretty slim. I mean, it's not super tapered around the midsection or anything, but it is a nice fit. It's certainly not too big. I really like the pattern, and the fabric feels pretty lightweight and breathable, so I think this will be a really nice shirt for the spring. And the pants, I really enjoy. They're super comfortable, very stretchy, very lightweight. Again, they feel breathable. The tie waist has been a really popular thing lately, so I'm cool with that. It just eliminates the need for a belt. And yeah, the fit is nice, and they're slim, but not too skinny. Alright, so another solid showing from Trendy Butler. I've really been quite liking the stuff they've been sending out lately. Gotten some really nice clothes. Yeah, and I think these are both going to be great for spring. Very comfortable, they're breathable, and I'm looking forward to wearing them. So that does it for today's unboxing video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned to the channel. I've got a ton of hair product reviews and stuff coming up real soon. So if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with all that. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching. We'll see you at the next one.